So when people talk about win rate, they think about this destiny thing that's given to them, and it's automatically either this or that determined by their strategy. But that's completely false. Win rate is completely changeable or manipulated, as you can say, and your profitability is based on two things, right? It's based on win rate and it's based on risk to reward. Okay? We all know that. If you decrease your risk to reward, you will increase your win rate. And if you increase your risk to reward, you'll decrease your win rate. We all know that, okay? That's pretty basic. You guys should know that. But there's a third thing that people often forget. Let me just jot this all out again. There's win rate. There's risk to reward. Okay. And there's trading frequency. And people often forget about this because this is where the good and bad setups are. This is where your selection is. So if you decrease your trade frequency, means you're trading high quality setups, which means you'll be trading less, and by consequence your win rate will improve. Okay? And this will probably stay the same. And these three things is like the trifecta of trading you want to be working on, because these are like, how can I explain? If you increase one, it will have some effect on the others. Like depending on your skill, like you can have like an increased amount in a lot of them depending on your skill. But overall, if you take something out of this basket, you'll put it on another basket. Okay, just to make things clearer, let's give some examples right here. If I lower my frequency, up, win rate, RR, and frequency, let's say. If I lower my frequency, my win rate will be higher, of course, because I'm trading high class setups. My risk to reward probably stay the same, maybe it depends, and frequency is frequency. If I increase my trading frequency, meaning I'm trading way more, I'm taking way more trades, what do you think will happen? My win rate will decrease, because there's no way I'll be having more high quality setups. Okay, like you don't have to be trading every day. Like not trading is also trading. Like for me, I only take high class setups. Sometimes, depending on my equity curve, I can allow to trade B setups, C class setups, you know, more risky setups. But that means because I have a buffer and I'm allowing myself to take those. But I know by doing that I'm decreasing my win rate, because there's not high quality setups in the market every day. There's maybe, for me, trading EU and GU, there's probably like 1 to 3 trades a week. That's a week, guys. So if you want to increase your win rate, you have to look into decreasing your trading frequency. And that means stop taking the bullshit trades, stop taking the risks, stop having this dopamine crackhead mindset that you need to trade, because you don't. And this risk reward will remain the same. If you increase the risk reward, your win rate will be less high. I fucked my English there, but you're understanding your win rate will decrease because you're just looking for higher movements. Okay, I don't think I need to go advance on that. I don't think I have to develop much more on that. I think it's pretty much easy. If you look for higher movements, you have less chance of winning. And if you look for smaller risk rewards, if you're looking for 1-2-3s and now you're looking for 1-1s, you already know your win rate will increase. This is, like I was saying, is like the trifecta, you can call it. And you have to adapt it to a situation. Like, you gotta think about how you want it. How do you want it to be? Like, you can have a high risk to reward. You can have a high win rate, but in consequence you have a low trading frequency. Like, I could potentially have this, guys. I could potentially have the 1-5, let's say 5R, 1-5 with 70% of win rate. Again, I'm not that good, but I'm pretty decent. But in consequence, my trading frequency would be like maybe 4 trades a week, 4 trades a month. Maybe I'll usually keep it at the 10 range. But yeah, this is how you'll see. Like, let's say instead of 4 trades a month, you have 14. Now this will maybe stay the same, but the win rate will be 30%, maybe. And this is something you have to see for yourself, something you have to manipulate, and it all depends on your skill too, because like, if you're a beginner, it's not so easy to manipulate the data like this. But once you got the skill, like, you can play around with these numbers, and then it all depends how you want it. Do you want to have a lot of trades? Do you want less trades? Do you want this amount of profits? Can you stomach lower win rate? Do you want higher win rate? But with that, do you want to be trading less? Or do you want big profits? Or would you rather take smaller profits, like 2R, 1R? But in that case, you'll be looking at I don't know, 80% win rate. It's something to keep in mind, guys. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I mean, most people don't think about trading frequency. When you ask them, well, your profitability is calculated based on these two, but you also gotta add the trading frequency, because we also have to add the periods of time it takes you to get those profits, to get that edge, right? Because I mean, you could be profitable, but your frequency is so low, your edge might only play out like in some months. Because imagine if you're low, if your trade frequency is low, and your risk to reward is super high, and your win rate it's like low as well. But I mean, no, it depends. Your win rate can be low, but on a space of months, and then you finally get that 15R or super big trade, and you're profitable. I mean, I'm going on a rampage here. It's getting too complicated, but I think you got the basics. And we're currently on a Friday. I'm currently thinking of this as a trap, because it's too easy for smart money traders. We got a order block here, an hourly order block, if I'm not mistaken. That took liquidity here. Right now might be protected. We took out liquidity here, but this is too easy for smart money traders. I think we're gonna come here and then push lower to a daily low. I think it's previous monthly low of EU. But then again, this is on October 18, and maybe this video will be posted way ahead of the future, and maybe you'll see like if I was right or wrong. I sent the analysis on Discord as always. If you want to join, first link in the description, and you get all this for free from a professional, profitable trader. Not to brag, but I have my backtesting videos posted online if you want to see those, and my trades are all called live. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you on the next one, boys. Peace out.